Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study from mobile. First, select a reliable study app to keep your notes and resources organized. Make sure your phone is fully charged, ideally 80% or more, to avoid interruptions. Find a quiet spot where you can concentrate without external noise or people. This initial setup is crucial for an effective mobile study session. Next, focus on active learning. Use flashcard applications for efficient memorization, leveraging spaced repetition features. Take advantage of interactive quizzes to assess your understanding and pinpoint areas needing more attention. Don't just read, actively annotate your digital textbooks or notes right on your mobile screen. This engagement boosts retention significantly. Managing distractions is key when studying on your phone. Disable all unnecessary notifications from social media and other apps. Activate Do Not Disturb mode to block calls and messages during your study time. Consider using a timer for focused study blocks, perhaps 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. This structured approach helps maintain concentration. Finally, optimize your physical environment for mobile study. Adjust your screen brightness to a comfortable level to protect your eyes from strain. Wear headphones to minimize background noise and improve focus, especially if listening to lectures. Maintain good posture to avoid discomfort during longer study sessions. These small adjustments make a big difference in your overall learning experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.